In this video, we are going to see a basic tutorial on Python on execution and indentation. Before going to the video, subscribe to my channel In and Around Computer. Python code can be executed by writing directly on the command line. That is, for example, if you want to print a hello world statement, you can write in the command line itself and it will be executed and the output will be given as hello world. So for a detailed explanation, you can check my video on the last video on how to get started with Python for a detailed explanation. And you also can write the code in a Python file on the server using the extension .py and run it in the command line. For the syntax for running is python myfile.py. That is, myfile is the name of the. Coming to indentation, this indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line that you already know, where in other programming languages this indentation is not of much importance. That is, it is for readability only, but in Python it's very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. So if you write with the correct indentation, you will get the correct output. That is, for example, if you write the coding as 5, if 5 greater than 2, then the print statement should start with one space left. That is after the if statement. So if you write that with the correct indentation, then the output would be correct. Then otherwise, if you, and the second part, if you see the if statement and print statement, if you don't leave a space and start the print statement, then Python will give you an indentation error. So this is about the indentation in Python. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.